There are aphids on the tomatoes planted in the field, on the chili peppers, on the cucumbers, and on all kinds of vegetables. Whatever you do, don't spray pesticides. I'll teach you a trick that can solve the problem immediately without spending a single penny, and all the aphids will be wiped out. Today, I'm going to share it with you for free. Before sharing, I'd like to trouble you to use your lucky hands to light up the red heart and the plus sign and save it, so that you can find this formula whenever you want to use it. This formula is to pour 50 grams of white vinegar, 50 grams of salt, and 50 grams of baking soda into 4 gallons of water, stir well, and spray it on the vegetables. Spray it once every 7 days, and spray it on the leaves 3 times in a row. The vegetables will grow greener and more vigorous. It can not only prevent insects, but also increase production. And there is no residue. I've already told you the vegetable grower this method. Hurry home and give it to try. It's very simple. Follow me, and I'll share more.
If you grow some vegetables at home, you don't have to buy them. However, when growing vegetables at home, it's very easy to have cabbage worms and aphids. So what should you do? Today, I'm going to share with you a method that doesn't require the use of pesticides, allowing you to enjoy green and healthy vegetables. This video is helpful whether you are growing vegetables or flowers. I suggest you save it, so that you won't be unable to find it when you need it. The method is to mix 30 grams of white vinegar, 30 grams of salt, and 30 grams of baking soda together, and then add 4 gallons of water to it. Spray this solution on various vegetables and flowers with pest infestations. Not only can it effectively control the pests, but it can also make the leaves of your vegetables rich in color and shiny, and the branches and leaves lush. Have you remembered it? If not, give it a thumbs up and follow me, and save this article. That way, you can easily find it when you need it in the future. Once you master this magical method,
Did you know that regular table salt, which is a staple in every home, can have an incredible impact on farming? Today I'm going to share a simple formula that not only helps control locusts, but also increases crop yields. Once you know this trick, you'll never need to buy insecticides again. Whether it's aphids, cabbage worms, or whiteflies, this solution will take care of them all, keeping your garden pest-free. Agricultural stores won't share this secret because it would cost them sales. Before I share it, make sure to like and save this post so you can find it later. Here's the recipe. Mix 300 grams of salt, 20 grams of urea, and 200 grams of sugar into 30 liters of water. Stir it well and spray it evenly on the leaves of your fruits and vegetables. This method will not only keep pests away, but also boost your yield in a natural and healthy way. Got it? Follow me for more farming tips.
Is the vegetables grown in your home often suffer from leaf curling, yellowing leaves, failure to set fruit after flowering, dropping flowers and fruits, fruit softening and cracking, deformed fruits, and poor fruit taste? Today I will share with you a versatile foliar fertilizer formula that can turn your yellow leaves green in 7 days. Increase yield for those who use it, and it is green, non-polluting, and residue-free. The preparation method is simple and can be done at home. Before sharing, please like and follow to avoid losing it when you need it. The formula is as follows: 1.8 ounces of rice vinegar, 1.8 ounces of grape sugar, 0.7 ounces of urea, dilute in 4 gallons of water. During the vegetable growth period, spray once every 7 to 10 days for a total of 3 to 4 times to increase yield and disease resistance. This formula can effectively prevent yellowing leaves, small leaves, leaf drop, leaf curling, soft and cracked fruits, rotten and deformed fruits, and poor fruit taste, helping improve crop yield and quality.
No need to stress about weeds taking over your cornfield. I've got just the solution for you. No matter how many weeds are in your field, I know exactly how to handle them. When weeding, we're always concerned about harming those delicate corn seedlings. That's why today, I'm sharing a special weed-killing formula that won't damage a single stalk of corn. It's highly effective against stubborn weeds like crabgrass, barnyard grass, and foxtail, wiping them out completely in one treatment. Big farmers have been using this in secret, but your local farm supply store won't tell you. It would hurt their sales. Save this by tapping the heart and plus sign so you won't lose it when you need it. The secret formula is simple. Mix 20 grams each of table salt, laundry detergent, and baking soda into 30 liters of water. This will keep your cornfield weed-free all year long, promoting strong growth, a plentiful harvest, and greater profits. Corn growers, don't wait. Try it today. Follow me for more daily agricultural tips.
Farmers who grow vegetables all know that wood ash is a treasure. But why does it sometimes not work for some people? Actually, it's not that wood ash is ineffective. It's just that it's not being used correctly. Today, I'll share the proper way to use wood ash in vegetable planting with you. First, sprinkle ash around the roots to protect them and fight pests. Sprinkle a layer of wood ash around the vegetable roots in the soil. The effect is immediate. It quickly reduces soil moisture, preventing root rot, wilt disease, and other issues. It also drives away underground pests while promoting root development. Second, apply ash on leaves to prevent pests and strengthen the leaves. When there's dew on the vegetable leaves, sprinkle wood ash evenly on them. This is a natural pest control trick. Aphids, cabbage worms, red spiders, and other pests will flee as soon as they come into contact with it. With this method, the vegetable leaves will become dark green, wide, and thick. Did you remember it? Follow me for more practical agricultural tips every day.